We are glad to welcome you on a Hard Reset YouTube channel, and in this video I will explain what does the reset all settings mean on an iPhone and how to do that. So the procedure of resetting all iPhone settings is basically pretty much a self-explanatory thing. So as you can tell from its name, it will restore every configuration, every setting, all the settings, all the properties back to their factory default state, the way you got this phone from the factory, in the factory default state. Your data, the data that you have stored on your internal storage, will remain untouched, but all other configurations, such as like your Apple account or Apple ID rather, all the network settings, phone settings, every customizations that you'll ever made will be reset, and everything will get back to its factory default state. Now, in order to execute this procedure, or in order to perform it rather, you will need to unlock your iPhone, then go into Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset, and here find the Reset All Settings option. Here it is. Then tap on it, input your passcode to continue, and then tap at the Reset All Settings button. As you can see from this little tip or prompt here, the settings, all the settings, all the properties will be reset, but your data or media will remain untouched. So if you are afraid to lose your precious data, your photos probably, or something else, do not be afraid. Those things will remain untouched by this procedure. Now let's tap at the Reset All Settings button, then once again to confirm. And now we gotta wait for this procedure to be executed and for the phone to be rebooted. So let's wait. So the process has been performed successfully. You can already tell that all my settings have been reset by the fact that I have now the light theme enrolled, since that's the default state. Previously I had the dark mode, but that's not the only thing that has been reset. Everything have been reset. So every setting, every section or category of settings that you've seen here, it was reset or restored to its factory default state now. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.